Hi friends! Yamation sent me the variety pack of DTF film to try out. It comes with 30 sheets with 5 different styles, which means you get 6 sheets of each style. The gold DTF film definitely caught my eye and I just had to use it. You want to load the film with the matte side up to make sure it prints on the correct side. The white came out so vibrant on the film and I was so excited to press it. I'll be using Yamation DTF powder to add to the design and then cure it in my DTF oven. You don't need too much, you just need enough to cover all of the ink. I will be using my Cricut mini press to press all of these designs on the bags. I waited for it to cool, then I peeled it and repressed it with parchment paper. I will be linking the variety pack and the DTF powder in my bio for you to check out. These came out so beautiful and I'm so excited to try the different styles. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching friends. Bye!